Hello guys, welcome to AI with from Z. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how you can create a domiciliary account here in Nigeria for YouTube. Yes guys, when you hit the 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, you need to do the monetization process, and one of it is linking your bank account to your YouTube. I will share with you guys the bank I used, how I got some dollars, and how I was able to process everything concerning opening a domiciliary account here in Nigeria as a YouTuber. So if this interests you, please stick to this video to the end. And guys, congratulations are in order. You can now become a member on this channel. Yes guys, just click on the link below and you see join. Yes, just with few naira you can actually be a member on this channel. So you'll be asking, what are the advantages of being a member here? If you want any particular video, I'm going to give you guys priority first. If you love my teaching and you feel like you need to support us in this little way, please join our membership today and you'll never regret it. So guys, getting started in the video, how I was able to create a domiciliary account here in Nigeria. When my watch hours was about 3,700 and something, I felt like it was time for me to create a bank, like a domiciliary account. So you can actually start the process of creating your domiciliary account at any point in time. Yes, the earlier the better. My account was more than 1,000, but what was delaying me was my watch hour. So when it was about 3,700 and something, I decided to get started with creating a domiciliary account. I was a little bit scared. I felt the process would be complicated. I felt like so many things would be involved. But when I watched videos online, when I made research, so many persons were recommending using Access Bank. And from everything I saw online, they said the requirement is NIN, you need a utility bill, you need some passports, and you need some dollars that you're going to deposit. So I felt like, okay, I think I have a glimpse of how everything works out, but I felt like I still needed to go to the bank I wanted to use physically and ask them or make inquiries. So the bank I used was First Bank, and the reason why I used First Bank is because it's close to me. Like the place I'm staying is close to me, just a neighboring building close to me. Though Access Bank was also close to me, but it was still far. If you are trekking, it takes about 10 minutes to get there, or you enter keke. So I felt like I should just go to First Bank, which was way closer to me. That particular day, the only thing I carried, like the only document I carried along with me was my NIN, my phone, and a pen. So I walked into the banking hall and I went straight to the customer care. I told the staff there that I wanted to create a domiciliary account, and he referred me to another lady still in that customer care section. So when I met the lady, I told her what I wanted to do, and I asked her what were the requirements or what were the things I needed to create a domiciliary account. The document or the things she told me that I needed, she told me that I needed an NIN, a passport, and some few dollars. And I asked her out of curiosity, like, how much do I need, like how much dollars do I need to deposit, what is the minimum? And she told me just $5. I was shocked and surprised at the same time, because I think that's the lowest amount I've actually heard. Hearing $5 from First Bank, I was so happy. And I asked the lady that, can we start now? Because I was with everything she mentioned. She said NIN. I was with my NIN while going for the inquiry making. So she said yes, that we could start. Her tablet, and she started keying in my basic information, like my bio details. So after that, make sure when going to the bank to create this domiciliary account, make sure that you're with your mobile phone, and the mobile phone you are using, make sure you put in an active phone number when they're going to ask you of your bio details. Because after she got all those information, from that mobile phone or mobile number that I used, I got an SMS from First Bank giving me my account number. And according to what she said that since I didn't have an account with First Bank before, that she's going to create a Naira account first before creating the domiciliary account. So what she first did was to create a Naira account, and immediately in my phone I got the Naira account number. So she asked me of it, which I gave to her, and I think that's what she used to create the domiciliary account. So once she was done creating both accounts, which is the domiciliary and the Naira account, I did verification. So she asked me of my passport, but I told her that I'm not with any passport, and she was like, no problem. So she used her tablet to take a photograph of me, and also she did biometrics, like meet some printing and all of that. So after everything, she said that it's done, that I now have a dollar account and a Naira account, and I have the both account number sent to me as an SMS. So after that, she actually advised me to get a First Bank mobile banking app. So I went to Google Play Store and searched for First Bank mobile banking app. I installed it, and you know that if you are using all this mobile banking app, you need to do face verification. So I did that by myself. So make sure that when going to the bank you have data, because if you are asked to open the or create the mobile app, you have to do that, so that they are going to guide you through. So I installed the First Bank mobile app. I did the facial verification by myself, and then after everything, she told me on how I should go about it and how the app works. She showed me the Naira section and also the domiciliary section. I was so happy because it looked like I have my account in my palm. Yes, through my phone. So after everything, she advised, because as at that time, both my dollar account and the Naira account, both of them were at zero. So she advised that I deposit some money into the Naira account. So immediately I transferred money into the First Bank Naira account. So she told me that for the DOM account, that anytime I have dollar, I can deposit it, though she didn't give me any duration of it elapsing or of it not being active again. Yes, so immediately I transferred some money into the Naira account and left the banking hall. So right now, the second stage right now is to get some dollars and deposit in the account, that's in my domiciliary account. And in my locality, I made research, I asked people, nobody seemed to know where they exchange dollars. So later on, I had the opportunity to go to Onitsha. Yes, you know, the popular Onitsha. So there, when I got there, I actually saw some people that do the business. So when I asked the person, I needed $10, though First Bank asked of $5, but I don't know, I decided to just buy $10. So when I met the man, I told him I want to buy $10. He told me that $1 was equivalent to 2,000 naira. I was not like, how is it 2,000 naira? It's supposed to be either 1617. He said no. He said I should transfer the money to him while he goes gets the dollar. That didn't sit well with me, because I can't transfer money to you now when you don't have the dollar. Like, I have to be seeing the dollar physically, then I'm transferring to you. Like, hope you get what I'm saying. So you should be very, very careful if you want to buy any exchange at all, because he then told me, okay, that I should sit in his shop while he goes to get the dollar. I actually obliged. I sat waiting for him, but more than 5 minutes he was not back. So for more than 5 minutes he was not back, and I had to look for another place, because I came to the Onitsha main market to buy some stuffs. So I went to another place. I didn't go there on my own accord, like people were directing me to the place. Yes, somebody was directing me to the place. So when I got there, what they usually call the place inside main market is exchange. So if you stay within Onitsha, most especially that main market side, ask about exchange. You are going to see them, like they have one side they are staying, going to see them, and their prices are so affordable. Yes, when I got there, I asked them how much for $1. They said 1,600, which was fair enough. So I had to buy $10. I transferred about 16,000 naira. I transferred 16,000 naira to the guy who sells dollar. So mind you, if you are like a novice like me who has never handled any foreign currency before, if you get any hard currency, please and please do not fold it with my dollars. And then I went into the banking hall. I went directly to the cashiers, those over the counter cashiers. I went there and I met the lady there. I told to deposit the foreign currency I was with. So she then gave me a deposit slip. In that deposit slip, I wrote my domiciliary account number, the name, like my name that is attached to that account, and also the amount I want to deposit. I wanted to deposit $10, so I wrote it there, $10. Then she stamped it and directed me to go up to one particular person. So I went up and one particular person stamped and did some things, and I brought back that stamped receipt or teller back to the cashier. So after everything, the cashier now gave me a receipt. I signed on both of them. She took one and I took one, and that was how I was able to deposit my dollars into my domiciliary account. After she gave me the receipt, I was done depositing, and immediately when I checked my banking app, I found out that the dollar has actually been credited into my account. That's how I was able to create a domiciliary account here in Nigeria as a novice YouTuber. Yes, as a novice. That's how I was able to create my DOM account. So guys, like I said earlier, you can support this channel by joining our membership. If this video actually gave you insights, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video to somebody you feel like that needs it. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.